Hi guys, Tim here. So in this video I want to show you how you can customize your product page on WooCommerce. And yeah, so this is my demo store and I don't really like how the layout looks, and I want to show you in this video how you can customize the product page layout in WooCommerce. So this is relatively easy. Here you can see how it looks right now. So I made a demo description, I put in some benefits, some bullet points and an image. So of course, yeah, when you create your product page, of course it should be relatively in depth and should show images and give images and so on and so forth. But now I want to show you how to change the layout. So in order to change the layout, we have to go to the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard, and then we have to go to templates and theme builder. So and then here is the theme builder. Here you can see we can fully customize our WordPress website, our WooCommerce store. You can see we can create custom headers, custom footers, the look of the single page, but we want to have, let me see here, single product. So then we click here on single product, and now the page will open, or now we will see some templates we can use. So here we have some templates. Of course, you can create this completely from scratch, but to make it easier, we will choose a template. So right now here you can see I have 3 different templates, this, and this completely fancy template. But yeah, this is a little bit too fancy for me. So let's go with this, for example. And yeah, like I said, you can also, you have the option to completely create this from scratch, but to make it a little bit easier or to make the video a little bit shorter, I will use this template. Then I simply click on insert and apply. And now all the widgets get loaded. Here are all the widgets. So then you can see here how this looks. So this is a product page, and I want to make, so, and this, when you make the settings here, it doesn't matter what kind of products you have. So these settings have a global effect on all of your product pages. So then we go here, and of course this is a little bit big. So you can see when I click here, then the widget or the widget settings will open. You can see we have an HTML tag of H1, and this is very good. Then we go to style. Here we can change the color, of course, the typography. We can change the font family, but I only want to make it a little bit smaller. So yeah, this looks good. Then we go back and let's see. So this is here will display the main product description, and yeah, I like how this looks. So then I want to have, wait, let me see. Okay, I want to have this further down. So let me delete this for now. Let's click here on delete. So I want to have this here, and I want to have a little bit more space between the heading and the price. So I will go to advanced, and then I will give a little bit more margin. And also I want to change the color. So I want to have the price color set to green or something like this. So green. You can see you can customize everything. Here is the add to cart button. Of course, you can change the look of the add to cart button. Here button, you can see, let's make it button color. Let's make this gold. Yeah, this looks good. The border color, yeah, we can leave this for now, but you get the idea. Then view cart quantity, here you can set the quantity button, or the, yeah, how this should look like. Everything is good. Then underneath, I want to display some truss elements. So then I simply go to text. I want to have here a text widget. And let me grab my pre-made trust images here, or yeah, the trust element. No, I don't want to select everything. Paste this in here. Now here I want to change the typography. Let's make the weight to 600 maybe. Yeah. Something like this. Yeah, this looks good. And now I go back and I want to have another text image, another text widget underneath here that says, yeah, you can fully customize this. Let me go and paste this in here. Style, let's make this to 700 maybe, 700. Cool. Now I want to have an image. And yeah, this is why Elementor is so good. And yeah, you need to have Elementor Pro. So I will put the link to the Elementor Pro in the video description down below. And here you can see the image. Let's make this a little bit smaller. And let's make the alignment left, for example. And I want to have a little bit more margin here. Perfect. And now we need the product description, the widget for the product description. Here we have all the widgets for WooCommerce. You can see upsells and everything, product related, additional information, product content. Is this product content? The short description. Also, let me put the short description here. Oh, here we have, no, it's this. Delete. All right. Short description. There it is. So let's go back. Let me see. Product description. Then this is product content. I think additional information. Yeah. Has to be. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And I want to have margin underneath here. Okay, and I want to have that the image always is always visible. So I will select here the image, and then I will go to advanced. And yeah, in order to make this, yeah, you have to have installed Elementor Pro. Like I said, I will put the link to Elementor Pro in the video description, so you can check this out. So then we go to motion effects and sticky to the top. And also stay in column, I think. Then yeah, overlap this. Then I will activate stay in column. Now, yeah, this looks great. Yeah, and you can, like I said, you can fully customize to your liking. If you want to have a different layout, you can customize this. You can create new containers, completely new containers. Simply click here. Then you can add containers, you can add templates, new templates, everything. Related products, this is a little bit big, I think. Let's make this smaller. This, yeah, perfect. So, and then if you are happy with the results, then simply click on publish. And then we will get asked where we want to publish this. So we have to add a condition, a new condition. So we simply click on the add condition button, and then you can see where this should take effect on and products. This is good. Then we click on save and close. So now this is saved, and then let's go to our product and let's refresh our product. And yeah, there it is. So now you can see here is our product image. And then, of course, if you think this is too big, the main product description, or the main product title is too big, then you can go back to the editor mode and make it smaller. You get the idea. And here are all our images, and you can see the image here follows us. So I can scroll down the page and the image, the product image is always visible, and this is really great. Yeah, so I think, yeah, that's it so far for the video. Now you know exactly how you can customize your product page. I think, yeah, I would make it a little bit, this section, I will make it a little bit wider. So this is a little bit small, is a little bit too compressed. I would make the column here a little bit wider and this column here a little bit smaller. But yeah, you can fully customize this. Simply go here and make the column not 50% and make this, I don't know, 30% and this 70%, this column. And then this gets wider, the text area gets wider, the image area gets smaller. But it's completely up to you. You know now how this works, and I think this is really great. So I will put the link to Elementor Pro in the video description down below. So go to the video description, click the link, check it out, and yeah, that's it for the video. So if you have any questions about this, then yeah, let me know in the comments section down below. I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And also, yeah, if you learned something new in the video, if you found the video informative, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button on the video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. This really would help me. I'm a small creator, and for me, every thumbs up, every subscription counts. And yeah, so that's it. Then yeah, please press the thumbs up button, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also support me on Patreon. All the links in the video description down below. So, and then yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.